Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. As you may already know, Vincy Vibe initially arrived in Jamaica from St. Vincent with plans to meet up with Colaz and his team for some exciting excursions. However, as life often does, plans change unexpectedly when Colaz flew Vincy to New York instead. But now, Colaz and Vincy are back in Jamaica, and their reunion with family and friends has been nothing short of heartwarming. During their time in New York, they were graciously hosted by Aunty Pauline, Pops, and Marlon, who welcomed them with open arms and treated them like royalty. There was no shortage of hospitality, and Vincy and Colaz were made to feel right at home. Vincy Vibe, who had never met Aunty Pauline, Pops, or Marlon before, shared that it was an unforgettable experience. In his exact words, he said, "It felt like we were one family." The warmth and love of Aunty Pauline and her family were evident as they cared for these young men with the utmost kindness, as though they were her own children. The bond of family and unity was a central theme throughout Vincy's reflections. He spoke about Colaz's visit to St. Vincent, where he's gone 3 times, and now being in Jamaica, he truly feels the love and connection. Vincy expressed his appreciation for the unity that exists between Jamaica and St. Vincent, as well as the shared brotherhood that he feels among everyone involved. It was clear from his words that this is a beautiful example of how we should all live, as one people with a shared vision and purpose. Vincy spoke with pride about how he felt about Jamaica. After all, our motto says, "Out of many, we are one people." This is not just a slogan, but something we should embody daily in our interactions with others. Vincy also took a moment to highlight the incredible work that Colaz is doing with the cabin project. He praised Colaz for creating a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, a sanctuary where one can reconnect with nature and find true peace. The view from the cabin, with the ocean and the lush greenery, is nothing short of spectacular. Vince's heartfelt prayer for Colaz was that God would continue to bless him and guide him as he completes this project. He also encouraged Colaz to stay focused, to remain positive, and not to be discouraged by the naysayers who may doubt or criticize. It was clear that Vincy believes in Colaz's mission and is rooting for his success. What struck me the most about this interview was the genuine sincerity that Vincy Vibe brought to the conversation. He wasn't just answering questions. He was sharing his heart, his thoughts, and his gratitude for the people and experiences that have shaped him in life. There was no pretense, no performance, just raw honesty and a real connection with Colaz and the audience. And to close the interview, Vincy shared a simple yet profound message that left a lasting impression on everyone. Love God, love people, and I will add. That is it. And these now are Colaz slogans. Isa, no joke. Those words were the perfect ending to a conversation filled with positivity, love, and inspiration. It was a reminder that at the end of the day, life is about the relationships we build, the love we give, and the kindness we show to others. No matter where we come from or where we're going, love and unity should always be at the core of everything we do.